Namaste everyone. I am Vritika. Vritika means success in life, and I believe that success is not achieved just by gaining it for yourself. Rather, it should be for your family, community, and definitely your country. I truly believe that success should be achieved in this manner. To represent the connection between my country, earth, and the universe, I have worn the attire representation of my solar system. My aim is to bring fame to my country by winning the Miss Universe title. I enjoy performing acts, dancing, reading, and writing in my spare time, which makes me feel happy from within. Thank you, Stage Bright Event, for giving me this beautiful platform. Bye bye, stay home, stay safe, love you all.